If you've ever tried making a smoothie bowl or nut butter in a regular blender, you already know the frustration, stalling motors under blended chunks, and the constant need to shake or stir. That's because most personal blenders simply aren't built to handle thick blends. But this Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker changes the game entirely. Powered by a 1,200 peak watt motor and engineered with Smarttorque Technology, this compact, high-performance blender is purpose-built for blending thick, nutrient-rich ingredients without stalling or slowing down. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't your average kitchen appliance. The SS101 is designed for performance and convenience, offering two unique blending vessels to suit your needs. A 14 ounces smoothie bowl maker with a built-in tamper for thicker recipes and two 24 ounces nutrient extraction cups with spout lids for drinks on the go. Whether you're craving a thick acai bowl, a protein-packed post-gym shake, or even homemade nut butter, this blender delivers professional results without the guesswork or hassle. What sets the Ninja SS101 apart from other blenders is its Smarttorque technology, which is Ninja's proprietary solution to one of the biggest issues in blending, stalling. It senses the load and adjusts power to maintain consistent speed and torque, even with tough, frozen, or fibrous ingredients. No more interruptions, no overheating, and no need to stop and push things down manually. It's fast, reliable, and incredibly efficient. This smart blending system is further enhanced by Auto IQ technology, which gives you 6 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, blends, and pulses. These intelligent presets control blending speed, pauses, and pulsing patterns automatically. So all you need to do is press a button and let it work its magic. It's ideal for anyone who wants consistent, high-quality results without fiddling with manual settings or experimenting with blend times. The smoothie bowl maker attachment is particularly impressive. Unlike most blender cups, it's shallow and wide with a built-in tamper. This makes it easy to push ingredients toward the blade during blending, crucial when working with minimal liquid. Whether you're making thick banana peanut butter bowls or dense frozen yogurt blends, the SS101 has the power and precision to handle it without compromise. This is a feature you won't find in cheaper or generic blenders. Meanwhile, the 24 ounces nutrient extraction cups are perfect for your daily smoothies and juices. Designed to break down fruits, vegetables, seeds, and leafy greens, they ensure maximum nutrient retention and a smooth, drinkable texture every time. The spout lids make it easy to take your drinks on the go, turning this blender into a truly portable health companion. One of the biggest perks of the Ninja SS101 is how easy it is to clean. All parts, including the cups, blades, and lids, are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and stress-free. The compact base also means it doesn't take up much counter space, so it's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone who prefers clutter-free countertops. Despite its small size, the motor base is incredibly stable, thanks to its weight distribution and anti-slip design. Beyond performance, Ninja has added thoughtful touches that make the SS101 more than just a smoothie maker. For example, it comes with a 15-recipe inspiration guide to help kickstart your blending journey. Whether you're new to smoothie bowls or a long-time health nut looking for variety, the guide offers creative ideas for healthy, satisfying blends you can make in minutes. In terms of construction and design, the Ninja SS101 looks and feels premium. The components are solid, the lids snap on securely, and the hybrid edge blades are made from high-quality stainless steel designed for durability and long-term use. You can feel confident that this blender is built to last, and more importantly, it's built to deliver consistent results, day after day. This blender is perfect for a wide range of users. Whether you're a busy parent trying to sneak veggies into your kid's breakfast, a fitness enthusiast relying on post-workout protein blends, or someone transitioning to a healthier diet, the SS101 offers speed, simplicity, and results. It's also a great pick for those living in small spaces or working with tight schedules. The setup, operation, and cleanup are all incredibly streamlined. So what's included in the box? You get the 1,200 watt motor base, a 14 ounces smoothie bowl maker with tamper and storage lid, 24 ounces Ninja nutrient extraction cups, 2 spout lids, the hybrid edge blade assembly, and the 15 recipe inspiration guide. Everything you need for smoothies, bowls, nut butters, and more is right there, ready to go. In summary, the Ninja SS101 Foodi Personal Smoothie Maker is a top-tier appliance in the personal blender category. It brings together power, intelligence, and versatility in a sleek, compact form. Whether you're chasing smoothie bowl perfection or just want the best blender for nutrient-rich drinks and frozen treats, this unit delivers far more than its price tag suggests. The addition of Smarttorque alone puts it ahead of most competitors, offering smoother blends and hassle-free performance. If you're tired of weak motors, chunky results, or messy cleanup, now is the time to upgrade. The Ninja SS101 solves all those problems and more. With its dual functionality, smart technology, and sturdy build, it's not just a blender. It's your go-to kitchen tool for healthy, delicious results. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.